Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Savage Traveling, coming to you from Pattaya 2 here in north central Thailand. I was kind of, we were kind of caught off guard that this place was actually called Pattaya 2. It is literally Pattaya Song, which is Pattaya the number 2. So I don't know, we don't know why they calling it this, but it's close to my my friends, or my wife and I's friends, Noi and Paul. We came up to this part of Isan today they bought land over there somewhere, and they wrapped up at the land office, and then we went to the land and walked around a bit, and then we came here for lunch because it was it's with like 20 minutes away. But it's a giant lake. I don't know the name of the lake, but this up here is Pattaya 2, and we're going to do a little tour, and you'll see it's just food. It's like restaurants. Obviously it's a giant lake with, you got your beach, your beach umbrellas and chairs here to chill out and watch. This is all restaurant up here. We are the only tourists slash foreigners slash anybody that isn't working here, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna check this out. There's some stuff over here. There's a kid. My group of people here, my beautiful wife and Noi and Paul are right here. And yeah, I had to, I was going to start a video this morning, but like it was there, they were doing important stuff, so I didn't really want to broadcast any more than I already had about their business. They took care of their purchase, and now they are proud owners of like 5 Rai, not too far away, and it's pretty nice. Like, I was impressed, and they got double the land for the price of what they would have paid down where Noi and Guy are from. So but yeah, it's just restaurants, places to eat. It's hazy today, but it's Thailand. But yeah, guys, there's no go-go bars, no ping pong shows, no soy bucal, no walking street, but it's Pattaya 2. It's just funny. We've been making jokes about it for like 3 days now, talking about we're going to Pattaya. Hey, big boy, you be nice. Yeah, guys, and I don't think there's much more of it than what you see, what I'm showing you right now. Like, this is Pattaya 2, and here we are. We rolled in, and everybody was trying to like flag us down. The few people that are up there were like, God, pull in here, we want your business. I was like, okay, we were gonna come here to eat anyways. It's just funny because there's nobody here. It's just me, Noi and Paul, and the locals, and Guy and my wife. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I knew it was worth a few minutes of video. I didn't know what I was going to talk about, but Pattaya 2 is basically, this is it, guys. So I feel bad for the guy who rolls up here thinking it's the other place. He's like, I'm going to Pattaya, and like somehow he gets up here, he's going to be in for, it's not going to be fun. Yeah, it's just, huge body of water, like huge. You got these cool boats here. Oh, paddle boats, yeah. Oh, this might be fun, actually. I've never been in one like this. We kind of got something more similar to this at home, or something like this, but I've never rode in one of the. I guess we probably have those somewhere. Hey, we'll walk back down here and see if there's anything else worthy of filming. And yeah, I don't have much to say about it. It's Pattaya 2. Don't come here looking for what you would in the other Pattaya, because it's not here. Yeah, if anybody knows the story about this place, please tell, because why did they call it Pattaya 2? Like, literally. Let me see if I can find a sign with it on it. I know they're around here. I saw one as we came in. Like, It's just like the reasoning, was it just to try to get, because maybe that's the only way you could get people out here, is to just like try to trick them, you know, like we'll call it Pattaya 2 and somebody's bound to show up. You know? But like beyond that, I'm not sure. The provincial authorities? No, I don't know who they are. Well, like park guards or something. Yeah, there's some kind of government office over there, it looks to be. And you know you're in a good part of Thailand when the signs are just in Thai. You know, there's so many places in Thailand where they try to put English on them, but you know, there's a toilet sign over there, but that's, you know, I get it because it's kind of supposed to be for tourism. But when you go through the villages on the way here, you know, there's no English on the road signs or the city signs, and that's when you know you're a little more off the tourist trail, and you're gonna have a better time, you know, or a more authentic Thai experience, which is kind of what I've been after for a few years now, and pretty good at finding it. Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. I am not sure. I still, like I said, if anybody knows why this is Pattaya 2, please leave it in the comment section below, or link me to a video that explains it, because we don't know. I might need to talk to Guy and ask one of the ladies, like, why is it called this, and maybe we can get an answer. Probably not, but it might be worth asking. It's got some I don't know what this, they got garage doors on them, so I don't know what this used to be. It's old garage. Oh, each has its own meter. Huh. Oh, an electric meter there. I don't, yeah, okay, whatever. It's like, where's the ladies at? You know, it's Pattaya. Oh, you know, the king's here, so we're in good hands. Got some little selfie picture stations out here. We'll go check out these dinosaurs. Yeah, this is Pattaya 2, guys. This is like literally, we've just seen it. Like so if you've ever been curious about what's going on up here at Pattaya 2, you can be rest assured that there's not a lot. And this is part of Thailand where they found tons of dinosaur fossils, so you got dinosaur statues everywhere, which is cool, which is really cool. Maybe some brontosauruses or something like that. Brachiosaur. Something. Got the old skinny boats here. Some kind of structure out there. Yeah, it's just a whole fishing village, you know, like, oh, here's a whole huge fish over here. Let's check that out. Yeah, my food might be on its way back soon, so. And there's nothing much else to show you guys, so I will probably end this here, because like I was telling you a minute ago,